Hello guys, I'm Mester.mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to design this 3D model in SolidWorks, and for doing that we have to draw the sketch, then we will apply the dimensions and relations, and finally we will apply a color to this model. Before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. Let's get started as soon as it's possible. Here I have the dimensions of this model. Firstly, I have to close this model here. For closing the model and the part in SolidWorks, just come here and click on close. Now we have to create a new part. For doing that, come here and click on new part. Okay. Now we have a new part. First thing first, we have to choose a plane to draw a sketch, and I'm going to draw the sketch of this side of the model. This is the front side of the model, and then we will extrude the sketch. So it doesn't matter which plane firstly you choose, but I suggest you to choose the front plane. So here, click on the front plane and click on the sketch. Now we have a open sketch. And now we have to draw the sketch of this side of the model. And for doing that, click on the line, midpoint line. And you can see as I get close to the origin point, an orange point here appears. It means that if I click on this point, the center of the line will be connected to the origin point. And you can see as I move the line, a yellow symbol here appears. It means that if I click on the screen, the horizontal relation will be applied to my line. So you can see the green symbol here. Now I draw this line and I connect that line to the line here, and right click, select to exit the line. Now we have to apply the relations and the dimensions. Here choose a smart dimension, and the dimension of this line is 20 millimeter, and the dimension from this point to the point here is 40 millimeter. My sketch is not still fully fine because of these two lines. These two lines here are still blue, and my sketch is still moving. So the point here must be vertical to the origin point, and please hold the control button and choose these 2 points, and in add relation give it vertical relation. Now my sketch is fully fine and the lines here are black and the sketch is not moving. So now we have to extrude this sketch. Come in feature tab. If you don't have the feature tab, please right click and here click on feature. So please click on the extruded boss and base, and you have to extrude this sketch. You have to turn the sketch to a 3D model. The depth of the model is 60 millimeters. So we have to extrude this sketch about 60 millimeter. And click on OK. It must be blind, and in selected contour, please choose the sketch here, and here from sketch blank. I will tell you what's the use of these options. We have to go through the many different projects to cover all the options here. So please just click on the OK here, and now you can see we have designed this side of the model, and we have to draw another 3D model on this side. So we have to choose a plane at the middle of the model. So here you can see as I move the mouse here, the right plane is specifically at the middle of the model. So here choose the right plane, click on the right plane and click on sketch, and click on the sketch here and choose normal, or you can hold the Ctrl and 8 button on your keyboard. Now I have to draw the sketch of this side of the model. So I'm going to draw a line here, and a vertical line and a horizontal line, and we will extrude the sketch. So here choose line and draw a line here, and start drawing your line from this point, the origin point here, and draw a line, and connect the origin point to this point, and connect the line here to this line, and right click and select. So you can see the lines here are coincident to the model here. So our sketch is fully fine, and the sketch is not moving, and the lines are black. So please come in features and choose extruded boss and base, and give it 20 millimeter dimension. So here choose selected contour and choose this sketch, and here choose midplane, and here choose OK. So it must be a sketch plane, and here midplane, and here is 20 millimeter. You have to extrude the sketch about 20 millimeter, and in selected contour please choose this sketch here. So and here the merge result. So here click on OK. I will tell you the use of the options in the other videos. So here choose OK, and now we have the model. So you can see we have designed this model, and it was very easy. And this is the use of the planes. I used the right plane to draw the sketch and to extrude the model. Thanks for watching this video, and please watch my previous videos. I have uploaded over 30 videos about drawing a sketch and designing the model. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to put your comments.